Does having dyscalculia mean you're not very good at maths? That's a question, isn't it? One would have thought so on the surface of it, but actually I want to think about maths for a minute. Maths is so many subjects tied into one title. If we're learning about geography, it's about where things are essentially. Sorry to any geographers out there if I've oversimplified that. If we're talking about history, we're talking about things that have happened in the past. If we're talking about maths, we might be talking about shapes. We might be talking about dividing, grouping, timesing, numbers. Could be any manner of things, algebra, all those things. And you could be good at loads and loads of those things, but really struggle in just one department. In one area of maths, it might be tessellations, might be the thing that gets you. You can do the rest, but not that. And that's where the concept comes in. So that's dyscalculia for you, but what about dyslexia? Dyslexia, okay, here's a question that I get asked. It might be a university lecturer, for example. Why are my students coming into university with no assessment and no screening for dyslexia, and as soon as they get to us, they're dyslexic? And it seems it's come out of nowhere. It's a really good question to ask, isn't it? Why has this person not been dyslexic for 18 years and all of a sudden they are? Well, it's because they're up in the game, isn't it? When you do your A-levels, you might have a 500-word essay to write, 750-word essay to write, lots and lots of support from your tutor. When you get to university, by the time you're doing your masters, it's a 55,000-word essay with no support. And that's what it is. It gets harder. You can work to a certain point, but beyond that point, it becomes too difficult and beyond your means, just like anything else. Anything in life, you know, if you're going to be a runner and you do 10K and you're kind of just slipping under the sort of hour, that's great. You're probably never going to be a 30-minute 10K runner. It's the same with dyslexia and it's the same with dyscalculia. Have a nice day, everybody.